Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to redeem rewards on Atlas. Alright, it's going to be a really quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into the video. Now the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Atlas account. You can log into your Atlas account on the Atlas mobile app, or you can choose to do so on the online banking platform. That's the Atlas website. And once you're logged into your account with your username and your password, you're going to select the credit card account that you want to redeem rewards on from the account dashboard. So just go ahead and check out the account dashboard, find the credit card account and select that. And then you're going to click on rewards and then select the reward redemption option. Now here you're going to review and select the reward redemption options, such as statement credits, or it could be you want gift cards, or it could be travel rewards. So just confirm the reward redemption and review the redemption details, and you're going to receive your reward redemption. Could be statement credits or credit cards or whatever. Once you've confirmed your redemption, you're going to receive that. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to redeem rewards on Atlas. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the